Hey, how's
Hi.
it? Hey, how's it going?
Hi.
We're back again at Josh's garden.
Josh's
Josh's garden. And we worked out an issue with the height. I'm standing on a step
And I'm buried 5 feet in the ground.
Yes, so it worked out. So today we're going to plant a whole bunch of tulips in his garden and some alliums.
You didn't comment on my
It's fantastic,
on
isn't it?
my fall jacket.
It's autumnal
All the colors
wear.
of fall right here.
It's autumnal wear.
Oh yeah, autumnal. sounds like a teddy bear. Anyways, whatever.
Okay, so here we are again, and let me show you the fantastic tulips that we got here.
Right.
Okay,
We
we're
have
going to
the
show you these again.
Allium, which you can make a soup out of, apparently.
No, not these ones.
Trust me. Who are you gonna trust? Me or the one who does it all the lifetime for a
don't do
lifetime?
that.
Then there's tulips. These tulips are pink size. They look beautiful. Also, you can make a soup out of those. There's tulips, these parrot prints, which look kind of weird now that I look at them, but I'm sure they'll be beautiful.
They've got a fringe on them.
And
So that's what makes them parrot tulips, is the kind of fringe. 'Cause
This
they
fringe?
look like feathers.
oh, okay, cool,
see?
cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
And then there's these white prints.
White prince tulips.
Also my nickname, White Prince. And here's the Queen of the Night Mistress.
Nice.
Yeah, so there you go.
One of the things that Mom was talking about is that about putting bone meal in, which is actually a common thing for people to use bone meal. But I was doing some research, and even my professors were saying, like, a bone meal doesn't really have a lot of things to give. And one of the reasons why, it's made out of phosphorus and calcium, but the phosphorus that it contains takes many years to break down. And it only takes, I guess, like an inch in a year it breaks down, like only moves an inch a year or something. Yeah. So it's not really helpful, and they say only to use it. I was reading this blog, and what he was saying, what is it called? Garden. I'll put the website on so you can check it out. And so
We'll put it
down below. And
Not above.
but down below.
Yeah.
And it'll be like an arrow. Anyways, I forgot.
You were saying that instead of phosphorus like that in
And
bone
breaking
meal,
down.
you would do.
Okay, so I got it. So the reasons why you would probably not add it in is unless you had your soil tested and you have a lack of phosphorus. And even then, like things like rock phosphorus, which you can get in North America, will take like 100 years to break down.
What?
So yeah, so you've got to get the proper, first of all, test your soil, and like things like certain fertilizers, soluble fertilizers will make the phosphorus available for a little while, and then it will get locked in.
Not enough phosphorus.
Not enough phosphorus.
Yeah.
It'll get locked into the soil. So, all that being said, we're not using bone meal.
Great segue to let's get the job done.
Let's get the job done. So here we go. So in this spot, what we're doing is,
We should tag Mackenzie in there.
yeah, we should tag Mackenzie in there. So we've got the pink and the white. We've got 60 of the white, we've got 40 of the pink, and we've got
40.
actually we're going to use 50 of these, the parrot ones.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we go. Oh, maybe we should say how deep they should be planted. Should be planted probably about 6 inches.
That looks like
4 to 6 inches.
4 to 6 inches.
So I dug it, probably about a good 6 inches.
Okay.
I've heard that if you
says
dig them 6 inches, then the squirrels don't get to them.
Oh,
So
really?
we dig them a little bit deeper. That'd
Nice,
be
I
good.
like that. Can't believe we're gonna make the world's best soup after this.
So what I'm doing is the thought process behind it is you want to stagger them, and yeah, but we don't want just all white, right? So we're going to stagger the white quite a bit through here. So maybe what we do is like take out one, like really stagger them, and we'll put then the purple and pink in between.
Are you talking about quite a big away here?
Yeah, because we're going to put in between. Yeah, let's do that first and then see. Like this is all white one. And then we'll
away.
Yeah, because we're going to put white and purple. We still have pink, but what to put in between,
okay.
right?
Well, these eventually these eventually not grow because of the acid, right?
No.
When that tree gets bigger?
No. The acid, it doesn't affect that much. What I would say, the biggest effect that it would cause is drying. So it might cause the tulips to here's a white one for you.
I got 4 white ones.
It might cause the tulips to just not get so tall because they wouldn't have gotten as much water.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so what we did is we tried to space them out. I think I did better on this end, getting the purple and white and the pink mixed evenly.
Yeah.
But when we got over here, it might be a little bit more random, which is okay, I guess.
Yeah.
And it'll still look really awesome. So now we're going to dig these puppies, cover these puppies up. And we did have a lot of trouble, just a little feedback on this company. Which ones? The purple ones, the parrot ones. Ooh, lots of bad ones in there. Just looking so shriveled up. Here, let me show you. Just looking so
Mackenzie,
shriveled
right?
up. No, Mackenzie was okay. It was this other brand. I don't know which brand this is, but bulbs are easy. Bulbs are easy.
Oh yeah, that's the Home Depot brand.
Yeah, it's not too good. Don't recommend those ones. Okay, here we go. Digging in. You can see that. Oh, it's pretty bad here. There's so many of them. This one's maybe not too bad, but look. That one's not bad, but these are really bad. Hope you can see that. Oh, see, these are so much. Look at this condition. Look at the condition.
Oh yeah, that's the Costco one.
The Costco ones.
No, that's the trick. I didn't
Costco. Good bulbs. This brand. Wow, this is the same brand. Bulbs are easy.
Really?
Yeah. We got to work on quality control.
Yes.
Am I recording? Oh, I got it. Yeah.
We are all done our project. It only took us 7 years. She aged really well. I didn't. Oh wait, I'm back. Boom. We just put more tulips than maybe God had ever imagined for a property like this into this property. So great. So during the summer we have to come back and see what's happened. Put a whole bunch of alliums there. Put 9 patches of 10, except for that one of 8, here. And then we threw all those ones over there. So
Yeah.
there goes 7,000.
7,000.
7,000. Whoa, hang loose.
Maybe not quite 7,000, but quite a lot.
6,459. Let's,
Yeah.
we rounded
Close
up
enough. Close enough.
poorly. Okay.
Okay, until the next time. Bye.
Bye. We got a tiny bag of onions. I mean alliums. And then 5 of these heart-shaped flowers. Tulipas. Peretta. Paraquete. Pare prince. They look beautiful. I look forward to it. So that is all.